One dish that's the backbone of any comfort meal. That's Moong Dal. Let's make a classic Moong Dal with the Punjabi Tadka in the new Philips OneChef. Today we'll use a special non-stick cooking pot for this. Press the power button, select Curry Mode followed by Tadka preset and press start. Add ghee to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add jeera, methi seeds, a pinch of hing, chopped garlic, add green chilies, curry leaves, chopped tomato and saute for 2 minutes. Haldi and saute for 3 more minutes until the masala softens. Press the power button again, select boil mode, choose dal preset and set a time of 37 minutes on high heat and press start. In the same pot, add the yellow moong dal, water, salt to taste, mix well, cover it with a glass lid and let cook for 37 minutes. Finish off with fresh dhania and mix well. Serve hot with steamed rice. देखा? रोज का खाना made simple with Philips OneChef. It's all you need.